Hi and welcome to today's video. This video is all about using VLOOKUP the easy and smarter way. For your convenience, I have created a data set in these two Excel tabs, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. Sheet 1 contains data of employees with employee name, rank, designation and employee IDs. In Sheet 2, we want the same data but with a VLOOKUP formula. We want to pull it in a simpler way, and here how to use that VLOOKUP formula. We need the employee IDs for these employees. So in the employee ID column, I would say equals to VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value. Now my lookup value is the value against which I need this data for. So in this case it is employee name. I'm using the employee name as lookup value. Now it says table array. Table array is the table I need to fetch the data from. In this case, I'm using the entire table from B till E. Now the next is column index number. Column index number is the column for which the data is required, and in this case it is employee ID and it is column number 4. How this 4 is derived? We started our table array from employee name, which is column number 1. Second is column number 2 is rank, column number 3 is designation, and column number 4 is employee ID. So I say comma 4. Now it is asking for a range lookup. We always say 0 to give us the exact match. Close bracket. This is how it has given us the values. I'll just copy paste the VLOOKUP formulas in all the cells, and here it has given us all the values in just a matter of seconds. The quickest way to use VLOOKUP. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, which is the Excel Accountant. Thank you.